I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while. You can miss it.
You will not shank me. You will not shank. You be careful with that knife. You'll have your fingers off. Okay, so Honda Civic FN2 Infinite CD Stage 1 clutch. FN2. Yeah, should be straightforward. Jason already looks like he's enjoyed himself. You've not got very far with this, Jason. Oh, I can see why. Okay, so that's the clutch in. Next up for this car, for this FN2, is exhaust modification. So let's get fitting some exhaust parts. Let's show you what we've got to fit. Well, Steve's clutch is in. So Jason is moving on to... Jason doesn't want his image on film. So Jason is moving on to Japspeed Manifold fitting time. So that'll be lovely. His exhaust's off. He's busy getting that out of the way. And yeah, there she is. So that's coming off. Jason looks excited as ever. I'm not even going to pan back to Jason's face. That's how excited he is. Right, let's get this unwrapped. Well, that's quite a bit of equipment, ain't it? I'm sure that's much fun to fit. Oh, as you can see, Jason's managed to fit the manifolds, so that's in place. Yeah. Yeah. So next up, mating up to this is the Tegiwa West 70mm exhaust system, available at Dynodaze. We sell these, they're ever so popular. I'm told they sound beautiful, so we will find out at the end of this video, I guess. But yeah, so Jason's going to get that fitted. We'll have a look, we'll take some more photos. Okay, so the exhaust is on. As you can see, it's the Tegiwa 70mm system. Lovely looking thing. Right, some notes. First note is, when marrying up a Tegiwa system to a Japspeed manifold, it doesn't quite fit. So we've had to modify this small section here. As you can see, we put about an inch of stainless in there to make it fit so that it doesn't knock. So bear that in mind, guys, because obviously if you're fitting this catback system to something else, like the standard one, you might not have an issue at all. You might not have an issue fitting it to a different downpipe manifold type thing, but you are going to have that issue if you fit the Tegiwa 70mm system to the Japspeed manifold. So as you can see, like I say, that bit of section that we've just added is there. Right, let's see what it sounds like. I think that'd be good. Now, obviously, I can't start from here, so let's get the car down. So there she is running. Not too intrusive on tick over. Purring away like a little kitten. Jason, would you like to give it a little blip? Just torquing up the wheel nuts. Now, obviously, this will resonate against the Dynodaze wall. That sounds lovely. Yeah, that's lovely. Oh, now I want one of them on mine. But there you go. That's a lovely sounding exhaust. Customer will love that, I think. Just before it leaves the workshop, and I'm not going to say that this car's been here for longer than it should have been, but we've installed a turbo. Oh no, it's just an actual snail. Look at him, he loves it. That's how fast Hondas are. He loves it, don't he? I'm not going to remove him. I suppose I should remove him. Oh, bless him. Boosted. well, that's the end of this video, guys. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that jazz for a chance to win some merch. And the next video will be of us putting this car on the dyno to see if we've got some modification performance enhancements. Yeah, basically we're looking for more BHP from the Japspeed Manifold and the Tegiwa catback. So let's see if it's made some power.